Okay. Okay, I think my stream is working. Guys, watch my stream, Kai. I'm streaming game development. What's that? No. So I am talking at nobody in the stream. And I keep making it loop. Look at these awesome suggestions here. Oh, actually, I can't listen to stuff on this. Forgot about that. Okay. Okay, so I guess I will just grab one of these tickets and fix it. He's not done. Disable crafting button if an item is... Oh wait, these are testing. Add item crafting / schematic tab. I guess this one can be... I guess this one's done. Okay, that's one that I actually need to do. How am I gonna do that? Not by going to Discord. That's a bug. Okay, that needs to be more clear. Oh, that's weird. Okay, let me restart this. Yeah. It's, yeah, maybe it's just because of the title. That's why. Because I just wanted to be, like, a routine thing. But, I mean, obviously, like, I don't think anybody's random is watching now, but it'll archive, so, like, yeah. It's just, like, a thing I'm gonna do, like, an hour every Friday. Post it around. Bring some people. Show them some shit. Give them some profanities. Yeah. I just like, yeah. I would record nothing, but then it would be boring. And then I also would record you guys, but then, like, I'd get, like, random profanities, which would be a little weird and hard to understand. It could make sense. I might start doing it. I don't know. Yeah, so, like, it's kind of why. You want to see something? You want to see something interesting? Been working on this thing for like the past forever. I've got these gizmos that like draw how they detect collisions, and like it shows like the force that they're trying to match to like avoid things. So like this spaceship is trying to avoid me. It was quite a pain in the ass to implement, and I'm still technically not done because this is just the basic setting velocity. Like eventually it needs to actually set the, like it needs to use thrusters and like actually be like character movement instead of just character like velocity following. So yeah. Yeah. It's it's quite a bit. The other thing that's actually one thing that's pretty annoying about this is, well, Unity has these like Polygon Colliders, and I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna spend like the first hour like complaining about things. The first dev stream. There's like Polygon Colliders, and you can see like it's like this weird. It's like I mean it's just like mesh mesh colliders in 3D, where like it generates it like according to the geometry, but like this is a perfectly symmetrical like sprite, and it's like a fucked up, inefficient polygon collider, and I don't know. I think I could modify it myself. Yeah, like you can edit the points, but that's pretty stupid. So I think I might just like find an external asset to generate it, because I doubt it's worth my time to make one. Sure, dude. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I need to just work on something. Okay. Which thing should I do? Yeah, I feel that. Determine control scheme for extra. Yeah, I do need to do that. Create plan for it. I think Mike has it open, and he's deafened, and so he'll randomly hear his name if he's listening and be confused and be like, "Oh my God, they're talking about me." And then there's, I don't know, I think Brian might have clicked on it, but maybe not. Add tab for player profile view. Includes stats, name, etc. I cannot decide which thing to use. Oh, that's true, I do need to do that. Indicate whether. Yeah, dude. It's not that many. I mean, well, 4 of these are music because I was just running, and like I find it so much easier than Spotify to just throw open a YouTube tab one I want to listen to. Because like on Spotify, I can't open like, I can't like build a queue without it like playing. Like it has to start playing, and then I'd have to pause it and then like build a queue and search it. But like YouTube, I can throw together 4 tabs, and then when one finishes, I just close it and then I go on the next one. Oh, that's cool. So you're saying I can watch this development stream? Shift I. Oh, it goes in the bottom there like it's fucking Facebook, I see. Can I say fucking? Okay, I don't need this open. I don't need any of these open. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna just turn off these gizmos so I stop getting AIDS. Yeah, the reason why the Polygon Colliders is the problem is actually, I noticed, even if I just, like if I activate a lot of asteroids, and these are just regular ass asteroids, like my game, it actually loses frames. And I don't think it's from the sprites. I'm pretty sure if I went through and no, yeah. That is from an asset. It's ideally supposed to be used for stealth detection, which I'm supposed to do as well. What I'm gonna do next, I think, though, is add the combat, but it's a little bit daunting because I don't want to do it wrong, so I'm just gonna do it anyway, though. But yeah, so like I'm getting 26 FPS, but if I disable this, like, yeah, 90. Like, I mean, what if I go in and Polygon Collider? Yeah, I was right. It's the colliders. Oh, this is cool. Actually, flying over some of these. I cannot see my drill for shit though. Wait, is it actually? Is my drill actually underneath them? Yeah, I thought it was just hard to see. Oh no, it actually. Okay, that's. Yeah, I guess because it's a. Oh, you know what else is cool? Is the if I just fuck this shit up. Okay, go away, dude. The drill actually moves. That took some effort in Illustrator. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out now. Oh, I'll keep that zoomed in. I'll fix the scale. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Honestly, like I get these. I always like get these like feelings of like, oh, I don't know what to add to like make it actually a game. Like I don't know what's next. Then it's like it's pretty easy to just like if I just throw in a shitload of asteroids, it all of a sudden like looks like there's something to do. Like you can tell. I mean, there's only 3 variations here, I think. So like if you look at it too long, then you're like, what the fuck is this shit? But like, you know what I mean. Yeah. This variation is actually my favorite. It's like, and it's the first one that I made. It was like, and it's not like I don't do this shit every day. Like, it's literally like there's one color here, and then there's a color there, and then there's a top level color, and then there's some holes that are just, they follow the same strategy. And I just kind of like, I just use the path thing to like make it look sort of rigidy and more natural than, anyway. Okay. And what I'm thinking is, what I'll do is, let me see if I can go in one of these. I'm pretty sure it's that problem that I described where see how there's like, look at all those lines. Like, why are those there? There's no reason. Like it's just like way too accurate, and it's also incorrect because these triangles, there's no reason for those faces to be there, I don't think. You want me to turn it to yellow? Oh, there's the cheese asteroid going. Oh shit, the frames. Oh my god, the frames. Okay, this needs to stop. These need to turn off. Okay. Yep. Here is the cheese one. Actually, that's an easy identifier. I should make it so that like, I should just turn on a dev tool that makes it so that things change color when I highlight them and like tell me what they are and like let me call every like command on them. Yeah, that's so. What I was thinking was that I would just like I would choose like these zones. Like imagine this is like one asteroid field. Like let's call it Zeta because Zeta sounds cool. And there's like Alpha asteroid field over here. And like what I think is that like they would be given a like climate sort of thing, or I guess like material, because like some asteroids would be like, let's say they're more like heavy and differently colored elements, or also, or like ones like more in a frozen area where like there was like for some reason there's liquid in them or hydrogen or whatever. So like some would look more frozen, some would have like, I don't know, more, some would just look like iron oxide, whatever. It's not that I can't do anything. It's that Unity by default incorrectly generates them. So it's just that I mean it's a new feature. The thing is like in Unity, like you typically use primitive colliders. In this case, I don't want to use those. So I want them to be sort of accurate. So I just threw on Polygon Colliders, and it's fine right now because like there's no reason for me to have this many asteroids. I mean like. Because it's not a game yet. It's really just for testing. I can do that, or I can even use the same one and just make a script that correctly generates the points. For some reason, these OR nodes are fucked up, actually. Oh, here's one fun thing that I did, actually. There's like generate OR nodes script here. And it should, yeah, this actually generates them for every asteroid. So I'm going to try to find an asteroid that actually has OR nodes on it. There's one. I'm going to disable all the other ones. No. So this idiot's he's finding a path. Yeah, they're not supposed to go in there anyway. So if you could ignore that guy. Huh. Okay, looks like I actually have a bug here. That's strange. I had that bug before, and I think I knew what it was from. Huh, this has 2 Polygon Colliders? Why are there 2? One is a trigger. Oh wait, no, that's for a reason. It's actually supposed to be the case. I wonder why these got bugged out. I'm actually going to delete this gunship. It's pissing me off. Okay. Okay, that's a weird bug. Do I have a different asteroid that's actually working? Because that is actually concerning. Huh. It's supposed to be revealing the, oh wait, there's one. Oh, this one, it's stuck inside of it, that's wrong. This one's not being activated for some reason. Just gonna activate the regular colliders and see if that fixes it. No, it doesn't. Oh wait, actually the reason why they're, actually one reason is because these asteroids were given random scales, and I think the OR node, this generator does not account for that. So I think that's fine. Yeah, I think it's just, well, actually, Actually, that's not true. It goes outside and raycasts in by a certain amount, so it might just not be doing it if the scale changes. I mean, what scale is this asteroid at? Yeah, 1.311 generate ore nodes. No, they're still kind of fucked up. That's weird. Huh. Okay, that's not right. And they're not working either. No, the randomizer does. Oh, wait. Look at, see that? The collider didn't update. It's the wrong collider. Asteroid randomizer. Yeah, the colliders need to update, but... Anyway, what's more concerning is that these are not working, so I guess I need to actually go look at it. What a bother. It was hidden, prospected, and acquirable. Pick this up. It's supposed to be on prospected. Okay, what I think I'll do is actually go and find an asteroid prefab that isn't screwed up. Oh, I don't need to do it through there. I can use Searchy, because it's actually good. Except I already queried the entire project. Kill me. Oh, that one's messed up. Okay, I'm going to just turn that off. I'm going to drag one of these in. Generate its ore nodes. I'm going to try doing stuff with it. Okay, yeah, it's not working. No logs either. It's missing. That would be why. Human prospector listener. Dot on. Why is it missing? I think I changed the names to be capitalized. What were the other ones I have? On obscured and on viewing. Persistent on inside. Oh, that's not good. These references got lost. On viewing. On exit, I guess, is on obscured. I don't remember what I did. Don't remember if that's right or not, but I guess that makes sense. On obscured means they can't see it anymore, so I'm pretty sure that's the right one. It sounds more like blocked by something, but I don't think that's what I meant. Okay, so if I run this. Oh god, I need to disable that. Click to move shit. Hey, there it is. Oh, one other thing I need to make is like I need to give it an indicator when I pick an item up. Because like here's my inventory. It's like the only way of knowing that I actually got it is if I put it in there. Here's another one. I need to add impact for the drilling, actually. And I can trade with this asshole. Okay, that needs to be disabled. Okay, AI destination test player off. I'm saying. Oh, I need to disable this log, actually. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so what I will do next is I will wait for it to compile. Oh, I need to do that. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I think this guy has guns. Projectile gun. What's up? I'm doing pretty good. I am. I think he was all up in his Mike's business there. I want to play these sounds, but what if I turn my audio up? Can I actually hear? I'm searching to find a way to a new. No, I think I need to do some audio MIDI setup, and I'm not ready to fiddle with that because it'll fuck up my stream. Even though I have the correct setting for it, but like Mac just doesn't like being heard. Okay, so I'm gonna look at my characters architecture for pew-pewing so that I can remember how I manage that. Then I'm gonna implement it for the other guy. Yeah, the big things that I need to add are the patrolling and the detection and the pew-pewing, as we call it. Yeah. I also need to fix that bug. I don't know why 2DL does that sometimes. I also need to add dust. What is it? It's pretty cool, guys. My name is Wraith. Okay, so human actor. I actually like made so much architecture for this game that I forget how this works. Thankfully, it all makes sense and isn't bad code, unlike every job that I've worked. Don't look at my LinkedIn. I'm not bad-mouthing companies. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm pretty sure the ship controller manages the firing. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, let's go. So ship controller, weapons. There's fire weapons, stop firing weapons. So in theory, if I go to my human ship, no, not this one, ship controller, over here API, ship master, ship controller. Oh yeah, so I have, okay, so this is a controller. So I need to make a player, an AI player that calls, or that binds things with rewired to gunfire. So let's look at human player. Okay. Okay. Alright, so should we start firing left and yeah, there we go. And there it is. Okay. I think I'm just gonna bind fire one to making this guy shoot. We'll do that. Unity is thinking. Interceptor AI. No, that's not the right one. AI fire test player. Oh, that's a mess. I actually don't need any of this now that I think about it. Okay, so start firing and stop firing. Don't need that open. Okay, so I forget what these ship controllers need. Okay, so they don't need anything. Okay, so I need to read, these have a bad notation. And the human ship controller has a left and right, which I think overrides this, which is, it's tricky because it's a little tricky. But I think all enemies, I don't know why any enemy would selectively choose which gun to fire out of. I don't think they will. These also might be useless because it's not easy to implement it in a way that follows the same pattern, so I might... I'm not sure, yeah, I have a good bet, dude. I'm not sure it's the... I mean, like, it should be though, right? I mean, move Y, move X. I mean, you get pushed in those directions instead of the controller using setting velocity. Anyway, it doesn't matter anyway. Okay, so in theory, where's that guy? Where's that Hornet? Local avoidance control, no. So that's disabled, so I can just add the AI fire test fire. So that should fire everything of his in theory. But I don't know if this code base has survived the changes that I made to the player, because I started doing things quite player specific. Gun, I mean these are projectile gun, projectile gun. Do they actually have a projectile prefab? Oh, this is old. Whoa, that's old. That is old. Yeah, I forgot I have not touched. Not touched this in a while. Projectile AI. Laser.get component projectile AI. I think this is not a projectile. Let polymorphic projectile AI figure out what to do with them. Interesting. Laser equals get a pooled laser. So this might be an old laser actually. Is there Interceptor Laser? Oh, take me back to Unity. Oh, that's unfortunate. Give me a good old snort. Yes. I'm just gonna skip this. No, I have not seen that one before. Okay. Projectile, all right, laser. Okay. Interceptor laser. Shift enter to select it. Okay, you need to go away, Searchy. I didn't find it. Interceptor laser? No, it's here. Why didn't Searchy work? Searchies have a bug. Searchy developer flying worm fix. Okay. Okay. I am now curious to see what the hell this does. I forgot I even put this in. Does it work? Oh, nope, it throws errors, that's what it does. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. We need to go away. Test player 23. Yeah, test player 23. SCO fire weapons. For each gun, a component ship Oh, I don't have a ship resource manager. Okay. I guess I can just add that. That's fine, it's unimplemented because I only made it for the player. What else? This needs to not use a path. This needs to use yes. Oh. Don't think that's not right. Object boy, it should be a game object one. Huh. Is this old? No, prefab and pool size. AC is inactive. Okay, so I can just use that one. Not sure why it's trying to reference the wrong overload. No, it's because I'm still passing this. I'm not that smart. 10 lasers, 20 lasers. Okay, so I should probably set laser. I'm gonna put maybe one in there actually. Okay. Does this mess work now? That needs so much cleaning up. Oh my god. Part of me wants to just tear out the enemy system and throw the human system on it instead, and then rip out the parts that I don't need. Okay, so if I hold space... Oh, clicking is not a thing I want to do. Oh wait, no, clicking is the thing that makes not space. Okay, so this happens if you're... Okay, so what now? Nope, still 23. Okay, so, oh, ship, I never assigned the ship controller. I'm not that smart still. I think I'm good now. Oh, unexpected signal. I wonder if there's a way to open the comments like separately for the YouTube stream comments without looking at your stream. Like if I could pull it up on my phone, that'd be so sick. I'd post this on Reddit like before streaming, but Reddit is so like unfriendly to doing anything except for posting memes. Everybody just bitches if you try to self-advertise. Not always the case, actually. It's not always the case. Like if you're in a productive like place, like I've posted a few of my own things, and like people like somebody had a question, I posted like my video and explained everything to them. But like, yeah, if you're on a gaming Reddit or some like entertainment one, nobody cares about your stuff. Okay, so what did I do here? 25 now. SC.fire weapons. No, it's definitely implemented. Except I just don't have a ship controller attached. Oh shit, this is the wrong. That would be the laser AI. Okay. So undo that. This guy needs a ship controller. And it already has a ship resource manager, okay. I know my ship architecture. So if I click, oh, there they are. Do they have any impact? Do they have any impact? No, I don't. Okay. Oh, max velocity. No, that's the wrong one. Stats. Which thing was I looking at that had... This is the projectile gun. Okay, so the guns on this guy. Oh, this is the part that's pretty cool, because like some of these lasers could live forever, and then some of them could like not. So like the guns modify how that works. The only problem with the system is that the data of an item is not directly its component. So like I question if there's a good way for me to like set a scriptable object as the actual gun that shoots. And when, I mean, I guess I could actually call a function off of a scriptable object. That might be a better system, but I might just save that for like the next iteration of this game instead of worrying about doing every little tiny bit thing perfectly. Even though it's a good feeling. Anyway. So that's the projectile lifetime. So do they have... movement per second? Oh god. Okay. It actually doesn't go to it. Is that a bug with Searchy? Tab more. Select in project view. Yes. So why didn't it do that? Oh, command enter. What does that say? Enter slash right is select? Oh, yeah. That's weird. Whatever. Anyway. Movement per second. 2. Oh, that's why it was so small, was because my ships used to be like underscaled. They used to be like 0.25 or something like that. Why are you disappearing instantly? I forgot about the impact radius. That's a fun one. Don't actually know where they're going. I feel like they're going on the wrong axis. Oh shit, that's wise. What the? No, this like... He was being bombastic. Okay. Love it when a chest frees my ass. I'm actually confused by the, like, where the hell is it going? Okay, I'm gonna click, I'm gonna pause. I will find the Interceptor Lasers. Whoa, what the fuck? Why are they all the way up here? What did I do? Transform that up times movement per second. Divided by time dot delta time. Oh, that's per second. That would be why. Whoops. Yeah, most people just like throw in a random value. They're like, oh, the speed is 5, but like, it's the question of when you have a lot of space in a game, it's like, how far do you want something to actually move? Oh, this guy's got it too. I left it attached, but it's like, yeah, if I want it to move, this is some seriously legacy shit. I actually have not opened these lasers in like 10 years. They don't even have an actor component, which literally everything is supposed to have. Those guns are very much in the wrong place. Mike, you want to see this Skyrim? You want to see the Skyrim reference? Okay, this is starting to look kind of fun now. Definitely should not be blocking the shadows though, despite that cool ass effect it's making. I think the next time I stream this thing, if I don't finish if I finish the combat system, then I think I'll do the Illustrator. Yeah, it actually looks so cool. Ugh, I really need to add dust. I'm gonna start making my own particle effects. I think I'm gonna make a particle effect library. And pass out some. You got it, dude. Oh. That's pretty sick. It's pretty funny more than it is sick because he's not Wraith. Nice. Alright, well it is actually time for this stream to end, so I will play some. Oh, that is a pretty bad. Okay, has the quality been really bad for you guys? Okay, I did not know that. Okay, let me the thing is though, I think I set 5,000, so does that need to be higher maybe? It should be like not bad because it like the internet's kind of dedicated to it, so I guess I'll do 7,000. Shouldn't be any delay either. Oh, I'm just not live. Five, that's a lot. Actually, I'm gonna stop looking at my stream on the same computer. I'll open it on this computer and see. Oh, it looks a lot better now, at least on this other computer. On looking at it on the Mac is, oh yeah, holy, the quality is so bad on my Mac for some reason, but I guess it's because I'm streaming from here. Anyway, this is definitely working. These need improvement. Inventory and crafting menus. Inventory needs, I'm gonna actually add generic, right click, context, drop down, options on anything special. Okay. After I finish this combat, I also need to do a bunch of UI work. Okay. Well, that is enough. Good visible viewers.